Hey everyone, this is the cordless Dyson version 15 Detect cordless vacuum. Really excited to test this out. We're actually going to go through it, and at the end of this video, I'll let you know my thoughts. Just to go over a few attachments, this is a nice brush right here that actually has a laser on it, so you can actually see particles and dust that you actually couldn't see with your naked eye. So it actually lets you know that something's there. This is for like your couch and stuff, nooks and crannies. You can use it for your car, and this is a nice hanger to actually hang this up by the back right here, and it stays nice and slim and organized. I'm gonna take you through some of the buttons on here. So this is actually telling you how small microns you're picking up right here, from smallest to largest. This is my battery life left on here. It was at 60 minutes. We used it quite a bit yesterday. So the battery, and then you can actually choose like eco, auto, and then boost, which is going to be very loud. And then here is the normal brush attachment, which is perfect. We have a dog, and it picks up all of the dog hair. Right here, I have the regular attachment on. I'm gonna go ahead. There's a little dirt pile right here. Let's see how it does. Wow, that picked up really easily. I'm really impressed because my other vacuum would not have done that. Would have had to gone over it a few times. This is really nice. The trigger on this is great, and you can see all the stuff that you're picking up. All right, I went to a dark area so you guys can see this. This is the laser brush attachment. Let's see how it works. Oh. Yeah, we actually just vacuumed that yesterday, and that was a lot. So as you can see, there are plenty of attachments for this thing. But just going over some of my thoughts, I've actually owned a Dyson before, and I was extremely disappointed. Like, I never wanted to buy one again. This has completely changed my mind. We have another vacuum, and it does not pick up that great, and this thing is wonderful. It's picking up super fine particles, and it's even letting you know how small those microns are, which is, can't even see it with your naked eye. I really do highly recommend this, and this is definitely worth it.